So it's time to check up on the watch that we placed out in the Swedish woods a couple of weeks ago. And as you can see, it's raining. It has been raining for a couple of days now, so we have really tested the watch for water and for rain, of course. So let's change the view on the video, the camera, and then find the watch and see how it works. So we just need to find it. I think it's, if I remember correctly, it's about around this tree here, down here somewhere. Ah, there it is. You guys see it? Oh, let's see how it's holding up. Oh. Ah, it works fine. Let me just change the mode to close up. Wait a second. There you go. Oh, let's see. Look at that, it's ticking along. There is no fog inside the glass. Oh, it looks pretty good. The strap, well, you know, it hasn't been here for such a long time yet, so the strap is still intact. Yep, there you go, guys. Let's get back here in a couple of weeks and see how the watch is doing. And don't forget to comment your prediction. When do you think that the watch will stop working? Have a good day.